Good morning, everyone. Today, April 19. So we can tell it's like Tuesday, 2022. And good morning, all the traders. So the review, like overview reporting this morning. So US dollar is, we see it's up a little bit, but energy is down. That's the key. Financials pawn down. That's the key. So indicate, you know, a little lower. That's okay, but goes down. But today is the market look really good, and we can tell Dow Jones lost 30 something to last night is around 14 and it's 30 some to 80 points. That's nothing. But the key is the energies went down. When Russell 200 lost 14 points too, and Nasdaq lost 18 points, and S&P 500 lost like 1 point. I mean, that's not much. Like usually we call them like regular markets move sector. It won't affect anything much. So here we see S&P 500. You see, it lost like just counted a point, but S&P 100 is getting up like the same. It's pretty easy. And when you see Dow Jones lost 39 and Nasdaq lost 18. So don't worry about how they lost on those numbers, because that's nothing compared with the whole market situation. But today is when the energy went down, and we can tell like Veru, DD is pretty good. It's DD just now $2. Veru has been lost like $3 now, and Dada lost $1. But the big loss on that's a Veru. So a lot of percent gain today, especially BRK is getting up 3,500 points, but those stocks so expensive. That's over 500,000 a share. So AVGOP getting up $42 today, but that cost 1,800. So this for the trader high, you know, they love to trade those things like this. So we can tell is gold down, silver's down, but corn, soybeans up, sugar's down, coffee's down, wheat's down. So natural gas drop a little bit, crude oil drop a little bit. So that's pretty important. By the way, we come back with the most V2. We can tell on the market is still S and the L still be the best V2. So now is pretty good price to buy, because they got really high betas. Their beta is 5 points now, 5.3, and that's in medical sector. And SNDL get a lot of trade, crazy. So $154 million. Yep, and MULN is in MULN right now. It's dropped like 14% compare with whatever a few days ago. And we're going to take a look at today. So the map you can see is that's CASA. CASA is CASA system. CASA system is I believe a lot of people know this company because they've been famous for a long time, and now just like $7. I mean, not too crazy. And we can tell it's jumped up a lot for today. It's $7. You know, if you want to TD this one, just go ahead and do it around $7. And every time you do it, it's like 100 or 200 share. That's be the best, because make sure you have a really high pocket, like really high account, to order to do like 1,000 share. Because when this one, like TD like till 10 or like 9:30 is good enough. Do not trade them after like noon, like 11 or 12. It's not very good time to trade. I mean, it's not about time, but it's much harder because the sale increase. So the next one we focus today is F again. Today F still give you really pretty good money, because when you can tell F is one of the biggest vehicle company, like a factory. It's not company. That's more than company, and they make vehicle for a long time. So we see it right now is 1570 some, and yesterday they jumped up 81.82. Whoever online on that time, we can see that 1580 some, but the map is report, and they will drop. They will, we will see they lost. The map will lost like about 2 or 3 cents a share. So it's really important to track the map. Remember, buy small share, many orders, and track the map really well is the key to win in this industry. And especially you need to know the map, pretty important, and a lot of technical skill inside the map. So by the way, I'm going to let you guys know more. ITUB is $5.61. That's kind of good enough. So the next one is LQD. It's $114, a little expensive for a beginner. But remember, SNDL and MULD is really easy to trade. But today you can make more money on AMC and DV and be focused on that. Even though NEO NEO's in the low side right now, keep them around 19, more than 19. You guys can sell it, and especially whoever got Sophie, you go ahead and sell 7.3 today. Just get your money back and go with the next one. Thank you very much. Have a good day. and please watch the update for today later.